Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Paw Print knot. Let's go ahead and get started. My left side is over here. It's at the belt line as usual. Come over here, put in a dimple, bring it over to the center, bring it up over here like this, up and over like this. We're going to go down and around like this, and we're going to go like this right here. Going to come through here, open up this loop, bring this through like this right here. And then we're going to come back over here like this and going to come up and under like this. Alright, so now we're going to fold this in half, and then we're going to come up, open this here, and then come through like that. Okay, so we have that this like so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this folded in half, have those facing out. And then I'm going to come up and over like this. Put my collar down and just tuck that underneath there. Kind of spread it out a bit. There you have it. Put my tie clip on here so you can see what it looks like with a tie clip. And again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials to see all the different tie knots I've created or worn. Oh no, it's out, my friends. You're fearful one of them made. We'll see you in the next video.